So I want to show y'all what type of time I be on, but not only that, I want to show y'all some of the cookies that I actually bake. So I just dropped off cookie boxes at the post office, right? And I was sitting there all confused. I don't know if you see my last short. So if you see my last short or my last video, I think I edited a portion of it out, but you see me just sitting there like, what am I doing? Because I was on my sixth box and I had extra cookies and I'm like, where did these come from? But anyway, I made extra cookies and cream. Now your cookies do come heat sealed. They ain't coming out. You know what you're getting because I put the package in there, and there were a lot. I noticed that I mailed to like a lot of different men, and I'm sorry because all of my packaging is my favorite color, so it's nothing to do with gender. They're just my favorite color. Okay. Banana pudding. This right here is my absolute favorite cookie. So I was trying not to eat the cookies because in my healing phase I've been working out, fasting, things like that. Praying. I made another cookies and cream, but you guys, somebody requested this, and of course I made it. I'm Jazz. I'm your cookie lady, right? But they requested this. You probably can't see it because it's probably reading upside down. Let me flip this over for you for 1 second, okay? So, but they asked for this red velvet and banana pudding, and of course I made the cookie. And when I tell you that it's off the chain, it's off the chain. You guys, I was spending time in my healing journal this morning before I make my coffee, but let me let you read this one. It says confidence is not the absence of fear, but the choice to act despite it. So when you rebuild your confidence, okay, you reclaim the truth that you are enough as you are. Confidence is not about perfection. It's about showing up even in the uncertainty. Confidence is the quiet belief that I am enough. Yeah. But so yeah, I was in my journal this morning. And I'm going to pray again before I leave because I'm about to ready to go drop my daughter off at school. But the choice of me. But I literally wanted to just come on here and show y'all what type of time I be on. Because sometimes I forget and I miscounted. Like, I literally miscounted. I could have sworn that I had counted 50 cookies and I had counted 3 dozen of the variety cookies. But apparently I counted 54 cookies. And I counted multiple of the variety cookies because I ended up making cookies in a jar. I'm thinking about putting these on the site, but I ordered the wrong size jar because I wanted to put 5 cookies in here. And this one only fitted 3 2-ounce cookies, which is cool. But in here is chocolate, banana pudding, and cookie butter. So it's going to be like a mixture of cookies, or you can get all one kind if you like. Then the jar is reusable. Like, you can reuse this jar for whatever you want to use it as. Just clean it. But I was able to make these too. So I'm like, yeah, Jazz, you were off. I try not to, only if my kids ask me for cookies, but I leave cookie dough in the refrigerator. So if they want some homemade cookies, they can just grab that dough, make them some cookies, right? But anyway, you guys, I'm going to leave links below for my cookie shop, okay? Now, if you want something specific, like I said, somebody asked me to make banana pudding red velvet, send me a message or write a message in there, okay? But I am just going to not eat these cookies. I'm gonna finish my journal. Not eat these cookies. I'm gonna finish my journal. I'm about to make me some coffee and I'm gonna take my daughter to school. And then I'm gonna come back, turn on some music, and I'm gonna go to work. All right, I will see y'all in my next video, my next upload. I have so many uploads, I don't know what it's gonna be, but y'all will see once it's there. Toodles.